Moet ik de moeilijk bereikbare plekken op je rug doen? Moet
means must or should. It's the first person singular form of the verb.
moeten.
To have to, must, pronounced.
Moet.
Rhymes with
boot.
but with a shorter
o
sound. It implies a question of obligation or necessity.
Ik
Means I. It's the first person singular pronoun. Pronounced.
Ik.
Similar to the English ik, but shorter. A simple and straightforward personal pronoun.
De
Means there. It's the definite article used before nouns. Pronounced.
DUH.
Similar to the English word duh. It specifies a particular noun.
Moeilijk.
Means difficult or hard. It's an adjective modifying.
Bereikbare plekken.
Pronounced.
Moo-uh-luk.
The
Ei.
makes a sound similar to the I in my. It describes the accessibility of the places.
Bereikbare.
Means reachable or accessible. It's the adjective form of
Bereiken.
to reach. Pronounced.
Boerikebaru.
The
Ei.
again making a similar sound to the
Griekse y.
in.
Mai.
It modifies.
Plekken. Plekken.
Means spots or places. It's the plural form of
Plek.
pronounced.
Plek UHN.
The
Ik.
is fairly hard. It refers to the specific locations on the back.
Op.
Means on or onto. It's a preposition indicating location. Pronounced.
Op.
Similar to the English op. It shows the location of the action, doing something, on the back.
Je.
Means your informal singular. It's a possessive pronoun. Pronounced.
Je.
Similar to the English yeah, but shorter. It refers to the back of the person being addressed.
Rug.
Means back. It's a noun. Pronounced.
Rug.
Similar to the English rug. It specifies the location of the
Plekken. Doen.
means to do. It's the infinitive form of the verb. Used here as the main verb of the question. Pronounced.
DOUHN.
It's the action being proposed. Putting it together.
Moet ik de moeilijk bereikbare plekken op je rug doen? Aanhalingsteken.
Means, should I do the hard to reach spots on your back? It's a question seeking permission or confirmation before performing a task. Likely a massage or medical treatment.